PiNetwork is progressing toward its open Mainnet launch, aiming to have 100 Mainnet-ready applications available by that time. Currently, 80 such apps have been developed, leaving 20 more to reach this milestone. PiNetwork, a blockchain project focusing on mobile use by enabling mining straight from smartphones, has clarified its plan for the future. People have been eagerly waiting for PiCoin launch date for almost 5 years. Now PiNetwork has announced the launch date indirectly. As per PiNetwork, it is going to complete the development of 100 mainnet-ready applications, out of which 80 have already been created, before its mainnet launch. We can have a rough idea that the launch seems no way near in the next quarters. With this, the question that what is the launch date for PiCoin has been answered to some extent. PiNetwork announces to develop 100 mainnet-ready applications before launch. The strategy of developing up to 100 mainnet-ready applications before the launch grasps the attention of the community. With this move, the platform intends to promote functional and comprehensive ecosystem to benefit consumers, just after its commencement of operations. Dissimilar to several blockchain projects launching without proper use cases and infrastructure, PiNetwork pays substantial attention to immediate value and utility. Could this practical approach provide an exemplary? The already created 80 applications cover diverse sectors, including education, gaming, social networking, and finance. The respective applications indicate the PiNetwork's potential to drive innovation as well as real-world utility. However, with only 20 additional applications to be developed, what zones should the platform's community take into consideration to guarantee that it meets diverse requirements? Platform calls out for pioneers to build application. Catering to ecosystems requirements. The announcement additionally addresses pioneers, inviting them to make considerable contributions to the platform. Hence, PiNetwork highlights this as an exclusive opportunity for entrepreneurs and developers to develop applications that deal with untapped niches, as well as address the existing challenges. Nonetheless, what application types could increase Pi ecosystem's indispensability? Should developers emphasize global accessibility, cutting-edge technologies, and pressing issues? Pioneers must answer the respective questions while being a part of this endeavor. With PiNetwork reaching its landmark achievement, there are significant implications. Could the respective endeavor revolutionize the development and launch of blockchain ecosystems? By giving huge attention to utility and accessibility, PiNetwork sets new standards for the other platforms. Now, when only 20 applications are to be created, the platform is paving the way for an unparalleled innovation and collaboration. As PiNetwork approaches its open mainnet launch, the development of these applications is crucial for building a decentralized, utility-driven ecosystem. Users are advised to interact with these apps cautiously, as they are independently developed and not officially endorsed by PiNetwork. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.